For this chart of the day, we're going to be looking at one way to trade when there's a battle between support and resistance. Now, we're going to be looking at this area over here. So in this market, it rallied. Is actually a gravestone doji, small doji session with the open, close, and low at the low of the session. This wasn't quite at the low of the session, but nonetheless very close to it. But at a minimum, it's a shooting star. Actually, a gravestone doji is a shooting star with the doji instead of a small wheel body. But nonetheless, so notice how the market stalled at this multi-tested resistance area right around 125. But notice this other resistance area that I drew the lines with. This old resistance became support. So essentially on this session here, it stalled at resistance, but the market was at a support level. So on this next session over here, once the market broke under this support level, we had a falling off the roof. Market breaks above resistance, fails, hold above it, and the target is down here, which would be the bullish engulfing pattern. So in this session here, not only did the market gap down, but we had a falling off the roof. And based on the falling off the roof, your stop is the high, the most recent high, which also coincides with these levels over here. And as I mentioned, the target is the most recent low. But over here, you really couldn't have done anything because the market was at resistance, so you're not going to be buying it, but it was holding a support level, so you're not going to be selling it. It's on this session that gave you the final trading signal.